Bismillah, alhamdulillah, rabbil alamin, thumma salatu wassalamu ala rasulillah Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. This is, this is a rocket which has been launched by Galmudug militias into northern Galkacyo. Fortunately, this rocket did not hit any target. They deliberately launched such missiles into northern Galkacyo. At the same time, the Interior Ministry of Galmudug says, we don't target civilian places, we don't launch any missiles or rockets into civilian places. But this is an example of many rockets which have been launched by Galmudug militias into northern Galkacyo, into a residential area. This rocket did not hit any military target. It did not hit any military target. It hit residential area, civilian area. About 15 days, Galmudug militias have been launching such kind and even bigger, bigger weapons or rockets into northern Galkacyo. You see, this is an example. I don't know its name. I don't know how deadly it is. I don't know what. I am not a military man, but I think it is deadly and a very dangerous, bullet, or what we call cartridge or projector. This projector. This projector is very, very dangerous. It has been aimed to destroy or to cause heavy loss or heavy casualty. If it hit or if it landed in a populated place, it could cause many problems or many damage. But by the grace of Allah, it did not cause any problem. It just hit on a real estate, just hit in a real estate land. So this is, true proof. This is true proof that Galmudug militias are launching rockets and missiles into northern Galkacyo, and they deliberately target the civilian places. They want to cause civilian casualty. They discriminately threw this rocket or launched this rocket into a heavily populated place in Israac village in northern Galkacyo of Puntland state administration. So this is true proof. This is one example of so many remains of rockets they have been using against civilian places. This is true. You see, I don't know its name. I don't know what name it is, but it's clear. It's destroyed. I am here now. I am in Israac village in northern Galkacyo. It is about 3 kilometers into center of Galkacyo. It's northern Galkacyo, Puntland administration.